Hey explorers, today we are going to Chateau Elan. It is a winery here.
Our grapes start to be purple, so it means it's like a coming to harvest day. So in approximately 10 days. So he already was famous in that term of time with the medical researchers in the world. So he's the founder of nicotine patch that people are still using in the world. So when he came to place, he always had this idea to own his own vineyards. He said, wine. We'll load all the berries in the trimmer crusher first. This trimmer crusher can receive at half a ton berries. So, at stage, the winemaking process is branches two different ways. If you want to make a red wine or to white wine. So, what we do when we want to make a white wine? When you want to make a white wine, you only want to work with the juice, because we don't want that all seed and skins. So what we do when we want to make a white wine? When you want to make a white wine, you only want to work with the juice, because we don't want that all seed and skins.
Time for wine tasting.
What we do? We get the body first, and the second one we are swallowing all the glass. One day you like to see the third body, the body, how it's different, right?
Yeah.
It's a light, it's so dark. Yeah. It was what I mean, you know. Also, I want to add one more information. It's really useful. So I want to add also one more information. It's really useful. So normally, all the winemakers are using a small cup.
Thank you so much for watching this video as I visited Chateau Elan in Braselton, Georgia, right north of Atlanta, Georgia. If you haven't already, please, pretty please, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned to next week's video. Thank you so much again. Have a great day or a night wherever in the world you are.